Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with the, let's just bring it up here. This is our Creative Notions box for this month. I'm going to bump that thing right there. So let's move it over here. Alrighty, so now we have the fabric we're going to set aside. We have a purple thing, which I actually gave my purple thing to Megan. So there's that.
What? This will be going home with me.
Not that you had one already.
Okay. No, I don't even know what it's for.
Well, all right.
It's purple.
Oh my gosh. Use it for a couple of things.
Thread a ribbon through this slot and wear it around your neck. Oh wait, that doesn't tell me what it does. It tells me what you can do with it. It pushes, pokes, pulls, pafudges, paturns, pastuffs. It makes its own uses. Every quilter, crafter, seamstress needs one. Huh, I didn't know that. Yeah. But there's a hole in it so you can wear it around your neck.
Well, you put a little ribbon on that, and you can feed it through, and I'm going to show you right here. Or string or whatever, and feed it through here, and poke it out through the side. That's how you feed it through this thing right here. Oh. I'm showing her this right here. This little bag, you would feed it your string or your ribbon through there, so that you end up with the strings.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, and yes, you can have it.
Are you sure? I mean, sure. I admitted on live television that I didn't know what it was for.
Doesn't make any difference.
All right.
Okay, so we have, this is our December box, in case anybody knows. I get them all confused, so I'm reading it right off the paper. December 2021, although this is, by the time this is going to go up, it's going to be February.
2022.
Yeah, I just got it, but it's a little bit late, but that's okay. Alrighty, so let's go here. We have, oh, isn't that pretty? Candy Cane Christmas Heart Block by Angela, our one and only. Can you read it?
Angela Stoudinger.
There you go.
Cool. Are we saying her name right?
I think we are.
We could do.
If we're not, they can tell us.
I would say she could go on the page and do the phonics or whatever. You know, hooked on phonics and.
This is cute. Oh, because I don't have any of this. Look at this.
You could make that for February too.
Heart quilt idea.
For Valentine's Day.
Oh, look
you could do that for 2 holidays right there.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
That is nice.
Yeah.
And we have a wall hanging alphabet blocks. Home is where the heart. Oh, where? Oh yeah, where the heart is. So there's a little heart right there. That's nice. I believe this is part of that hanging. Yeah,
the house.
Got a star in there. Yep,
there's the house. Yeah, it's the pieces that.
Okay. I'll put this in one of those.
Yep, that's all your letters for it.
I just want to make sure I don't get the next one.
Right.
Yep. Okay.
All of it's together.
All right. And then we have the jewel sampler assembly. Oh, look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? Let's show everybody what it looks like.
It's hard to make.
So here's what the final. Everything looks hard to make.
It does. Really,
but it's not hard. It's you just take one thing at a time.
The one in the middle, it looks 3D, like it could be an illusion or whatever. Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was the whole purpose of it.
And then we have
calendar.
The book. Well, what it is you, and I'm gonna guess now, you use your own notebook, and they gave us the calendar part. I just take the paper off of there.
All
so
right.
Here's the calendar.
Oh, it's the loose leaf calendar, right?
Right. Okay. And then you have a notebook, so then you can put your, like for example, you can take this and put it in the notebook.
This right here.
Yeah, you can put that in the notebook.
Ta-da.
Yep, I have a notebook over here. And then here's some pages with some zippers and stuff to put between your, this is pretty neat, your notebook. You know, and although we have these and they gave them to us, you could, when you think about it, you could take some see-through vinyl and you could actually make this with a zipper for yourself and punch the holes in it. You want to hold each one up there so they can see it?
Yeah, as soon as I get them unstuck, they're all sticking. I don't know if it got wet or what.
I don't think it got wet. I think it's just new and so it's sticking. I think that's what it's doing.
I don't know, but
yeah, they're brand new. That's what that is.
Oh. All right then.
And let's see, what is this? Oh, the color wheel. Look at that. Shoot.
Oh.
Look at this. Can you get the whole thing in the picture? Oh,
Yeah, sure. And then they get a little bit more at the end, but yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
You say you back up a little bit.
There we go.
You gotta lift it up a little bit. There you go.
Exactly.
Now it's all in the picture.
Okay.
They can't see it from that point now, but it's all in there.
They can zoom in with their camera.
All right, you want me to
And
show the
we
calendar?
Well, hold on. We have the
The
ruler.
Let's
Let's get our ruler out there. Here we go. I thought you were going to take the ruler out of that.
I am, but that was stuck to the bubble wrap. All right, and this is that's the ruler. Look at that. Wow, it's
How big is the
huge.
ruler?
Huh?
How big is the ruler?
It's big. I don't know what's upside down. Oh, it's still upside down. This is like, what a bad joke. Wait, why is it upside down?
It's not, honey. Here. Right there.
Oh. I'm not really hiding behind it, am I? It's a 12.5
Keep
inch
trying to hide
square
behind the ruler.
I tried. There you go.
So that's a 12.5-inch ruler.
How embarrassing is that? Okay, well, I can hide behind this. So this is the calendar. So this is January.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can do it without. There, that's February. And they each have a pocket, so it's a little.
I'm just trying to get the box off the table, that's all.
That's fine.
Go ahead. That's so funny. Oh
I forgot what month I'm on. This is March. That's April. And whoop, May.
That's pretty.
June. I like that one. Oh, it's nice. July. Ooh, look at
That's
that.
pretty too.
Yeah, it's an actual flower. It looks like
azaleas.
it looked like an arrow. I thought it was,
Oh.
pointing to something, but it's actually flowers. That's August. Ooh, September.
Oh, excuse me. Wow.
October. Oh,
Look at
I've
that
made
pretty
that. November. Ooh, pretty, pretty. And December. And then this just says patterns on it.
It's got the butterflies.
Yep. Yes, all butterflies. Yes.
So you can put the, and then on the back side they've got pockets on
I know, I
those.
already said that.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I missed that when you were trying to get the box off the table.
Okay, and then we have one piece of candy. And it is caramel flavor.
Yeah, and since I'm getting 2 items out of the box, I don't need the candy. I just ate a whole lot of Tic Tacs.
And what have we not shown?
I don't know.
The fabric. I don't know. Listen to that. Oh my gosh.
Kidding, the box said that it was a perfect box. It has pattern in it. It has a calendar, a ruler, a purple thing. What more could you ask for?
Fabric. The fabric
There you go.
Absolutely beautiful. Look at that fabric. Let's see, where do we open it at?
I don't know.
Look at that fat quarter. That practically screams spring.
Yeah, which can't come soon enough around here. Apparently, no one likes snow, so.
As long as you don't have to drive in it, shovel it. There you go.
Yeah. Other than that, yeah, it's great. I don't mind the snow, especially the snow that we got. Now, we only got flurries. We got dusting.
Yeah, everybody was panicking. Thought we were going to have a lot of snow, and we didn't.
Yeah, like what, 3 to 5 feet or something? I don't know.
Well,
I didn't think we were going to get that much.
Here we go. I like this fabric here. That's pretty.
I like that.
The little bicycles, home sweet home, the houses, the different kind of houses. That's
And it goes
cute.
very nice with this one. Oh, so pretty. Anyway. We're not there yet.
Okay, so the first one that I showed you, this is with a black background. The first one had a white. This one has a black.
I'm very busy. Oh, the flowers. The flowers are affecting my
I'm
sinuses.
just going to say, they're already
Because my allergies.
kicking in on the flowers.
I know, right?
Here's a real pretty, I guess that's a aqua, isn't it? A little bit of an aqua on there.
Yep.
And then here's some yellow. All these fabrics go great together. Look at this pretty yellow here. Yellow on yellow. And then here's what she was talking about with the little bicycles, with the flowers.
I know you're keeping it in order, so I will.
There you go.
And I like it with, hold it up with that one, please, and thank you. Okay, yeah, there. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Little bicycles, and this is homes and bikes. Cool. Oh my goodness, I love that liquid in it.
And then we have a white background with this, pink and yellow flowers. Okay, this is wonderful fabric. Very, very pretty. Let's see if I've missed anything off the list here.
Can you go on the website and get this fabric if you wanted to get it?
Yeah, they should have it. It's 8 fat quarters, a 12.5-inch ruler. This is what came in the box.
Excuse me.
The planner packet, dividers, inserts, and poster. The home wall hanging in alphabet pattern. The subscriber block of the month. The jewel assembly instructions, and the purple thing.
Well, I was trying to get the seam down.
So for Creative Notions, January fabric sale. All fabrics are on sale. Check out their shop, up to 70% off of selected. The disadvantage, it ends on the 31st. And what's today? 28th.
29th. Don't go backwards.
Okay, 29th. I will not have this video up by the 31st, I can tell you right now.
You're going to have to cut that part out then.
Okay.
Or you can say, you know,
last month?
Yeah. The promotion ended July. I'm going too far forward. January 31st.
Okay, so just a little reminder that they're doing their best to get a regular schedule for shipping. As soon as they're able to get their products timely, then they're going to be able to achieve the goal. Some may have paid a month in advance. With the system we have, we aren't able to hold payment until shipping happens. If this is causing you problems, then please email Creative Notions at info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com so they can discuss it with you. The recipe contest is still going, so please send in your favorite recipes to info@creativenotionsquiltshop, and in the subject bar put the word recipe. They want to have another recipe box this year, so you need to donate your recipes. And then there is a 10% discount code for the website for this month. I believe it's for subscribers. I think it is. If not, you go on there, it'll be on there. Okay. And of course, they said that they hope we all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And then, of course, I will put the telephone number and the P.O. box down at the bottom if you need to contact them or anything. Okay? So, thanks everybody for watching the unboxing of the Creative Notions. It's very, very nice. Don't forget to get yourself a notebook, and you can put your things in there because it'll be your full-size notebook with your calendar and everything. I'll probably have to keep that downstairs so I can use it. But anyway, so thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to, go ahead and click on that little bell. If you want to make a comment, you can, and I'll see you next time. You want to add anything? Just asking. Headlight? I tell you.
You asked me, you should ask me this before the video so then I have something to say. I have no idea.
Oh, you mean to give you a preview?
Yeah.
Never mind. Don't worry about it.
Cut that part out.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
All right, here it is, spread on the table. Sherry thought I was putting her in the picture, and it's like, no, I'm just trying to take the things on the table. Okay, so here is the subscriber block of the month competition. You can see all of this stuff. Here's what the little paperwork looked like for December, so we know it's a December box. I won't mislabel it. Here's these little see-through. Back up a little bit here. There you go.
I can't go back anymore.
That's all right. Here's all the fabric. There's all the different fabrics. Okay. And that's everything that's in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this box. And like I said, give me a thumbs up, make a comment if you would like, and I'm going to see you all next time. And thank you very much for watching, and welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers. It's getting towards the end of the day. I've been very busy in the sewing room, and I'm like losing it, guys. So I am very, very sorry. Take care. Bye-bye.